Hi everybody, this is Xenon the Fixer. So I will show you how to fix your Wi-Fi problem if it's lagging or if it doesn't work on your Android phone. What you need is an app called Wi-Fi Tester. Go to Play Store, just type in Wi-Fi Tester. Wait up, guys. Wi-Fi. It looked like this. So let me see. Oh, it's right here. This one right here. It's called Wi-Fi Tester. Fix your internet now. This app, it would scan what's wrong with your Wi-Fi and it may fix your internet. So let's try the app. So you could run tests or you could repair your Wi-Fi now if it's not working. So let's try run test. And it shows the speed, how far it is, and your download speed and your upload speed. It shows like a Comcast. Let me dismiss this. And you press this to repair your Wi-Fi. Just tap it with your finger. You gotta wait 20 to 30 seconds to fix your Wi-Fi if your Wi-Fi is not working right for your Android phone. Hooray! You're connected. So it repair. So that's how you fix your Wi-Fi Android phone if it's having a problems, it's lagging or it's not working. This may fix it. I'm not sure. But thanks for watching. This is Xenon the Fixer. I'll see you later.